Good morning. So guys, is the mama kitty still fine? I'm bringing her food. Hope she will eat now. Eat, mama kitty, so that you will have energy. Eat. Eat the foodie. Did you drink? Eat. Eat because I'm going to give you medicine. Chicken. Eat it. Eat. Eat, Yella. Yella, eat. I'm afraid from here. I'm going to remove you from here. A little bit hot. I'm going to put you in the room. Just after the cat eating, and I'll put you there in the room. Try to eat. It's the update for the mother kitty, guys. So far, she's still fine. Just need to be strong. Eat, young chicken. Chicken. Eat, Yella. Eat chicken, Yella. I will remove you from here. I will move you from here. You will go in the room. Need to be strong, kitty. Try to eat. Eat, Yella. Eat. I know she's sad because she don't find her baby. I think the dog eats the baby. I don't know. One of the woman told me there the dog cuts her baby. That's why she's so sad. I think that's the reason why she's sick now, because she was fighting the dogs to save her babies, but she failed. Eat, kitty. I just want her to eat, because if she eats, she will be better. Kitty, try to eat. Eat the food. I know. Just need to be strong, and then you will go down. If you are strong enough, you will be free and go down. Okay? You'll eat your food. Eat the foodie. I know you are sad. Eat the foodie. So I think I need to give her medicine, because I want her to eat. Eat, kitty. She wants to eat, but I think something wrong. She's showing an action that she wants to eat. Did you drink? I will feed you water. So I think I need to use feeder to feed her water, because I don't see her drinking water. So we need to feed her water to hydrate. Come here. Need to drink water. Yes. Just drink water. Drink water. You just need to drink. I want you to drink water to hydrate. You need to be strong, then we will go down and find your baby. Okay? I think if I get money, I will need to bring you to the vet. So don't worry, you will be okay. Baby. Don't worry, kitty. Here, drink some more water. Drink water, drink. Yay. So guys, I trying feeding her water to hydrate because I don't see her drinking. Go and drink it. Shut and kitty. Now you can eat. Still don't want to eat. This is good, but she don't want to drink, to eat. She don't want to eat. But she's still fine, yeah. Go and eat your breakfast. Take this, kitty. This is good for you. It's good for you. Just make you better. Take one more. Take one more. We'll go to bed. Good girl. Good girl. So guys, I'm trying to give her medicine. It's an anti-inflammatory. Just want her to eat. You need to eat, kitty. Mother kitty. I will move you from here now, okay? You look sad. I'll move you from here.